Hi everyone, this is Chris from my girlfriend's Sewing Machine and Education Center, as well as my girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and I want to tell you just some of my favorite features about the Koala Studio. You know, I completely believe that every machine deserves a home. And when I say home, I mean a place for you to put that machine in that's going to be sturdy and strong and durable and last you for a lifetime. And you can't get any better than the Koala Studios. These cabinets are made right here in the USA. Now let me show you something that I absolutely love. Take a look at the nice rounded beveled edges. That means no snagging of fabric and no sharp edges to run into. Because your cabinet is fully customizable, you're not only able to change what height you want the cabinet to sit up at, so there's 3 different heights, which is really nice for those of us who are maybe shorter or taller than others, and you can find the one that's most comfortable for you. Now, another thing that makes it customizable is you can add these great little shelving units onto here. So you can see that I pulled out the side drawer here, and actually, if you wanted to, you could add shelving right here so your projects can be right at your fingertips. And take a look at this great little top that we have resting on here. This is your Notions palette. So what that means is you could have your fabric scissors out, your seam ripper, your tape measure, whatever you need right here, right at your fingertips. You'll also have a nice solid surface here that you can use as, you know, an area for you to be able to press. Put your pressing mat there, or even if you're hooping a project with an embroidery machine, you've got a nice sturdy surface right there as well. And my personal favorite, the electric glide lift. How wonderful is it that you have the opportunity to be able to lower your machine right into the cabinet so that it's kept safe while it's not in use. Or I can lift it up so effortlessly. Take a look, I can use this little controller right here, and I can raise and lower this into the cabinet. Okay, you can see right there. And then when I lower this right in there, I can have it be right at the right height so that now I have all this amazing surface area to be able to work on my projects. Is that pretty cool or what? Take a look at this beautiful thread cabinet that you can have also customizable to your cabinet, where you can pull this out and have all the thread right there ready for your project. Well, take a look over here. You have the opportunity of being able to add the Outback extension table to this. So by being able to have this, it folds out, or if you need more room, you can close it up as well. And a great surface to be able to add on an extra machine or two if you need to, or even use it as your cutting surface, which is pretty great. With so many different finishes to choose from, you're sure to find the right look for your sewing space. So come on in and check it out. You can also find more details at our website, mygirlfriendsquiltshop.com. Come on in and take a look at all the different options there are, and let us help you customize that sewing space today.